What if I told you that paying for your groceries could help pay for your timeshare maintenance fees? Would you be interested? Hey there, it's Andrea with Happy Timeshare Travel, and I have a couple hacks for you today on how you can pay your maintenance fees. Now, some people are thinking this is the holiday season, but if you're a timeshare owner, then you know this as maintenance fee season. Most of us will be getting our bills in the mail and they'll be due come January. So we've got to use this holiday season to help us pay for those maintenance fees. Now, we were just recently in Maui, and while we were there, we did attend a sales presentation. And during the sales presentation, never once was it mentioned that your maintenance fees will go up year after year. In fact, they typically go up between 4 and 5%. So I've got a little exercise for you. If you haven't ever logged into ChatGPT, I'm going to suggest you open up an account. And I want you then to put in this formula. If my payment is X dollars per year and it increases by 5% every year, how much is my payment in 10 years? That's going to show you how much your maintenance fees could potentially be in 10 years. And this is just good information to have so that you can try planning ahead. In our case, we're looking at about $70 additional this year over what we paid last year. Now, what if I told you I could help you find that extra $70 and you don't have to do anything other than the shopping that you already do? And yes, that does include your groceries. What I'm proposing you do is use a shopping portal. And the shopping portal in specifically that I'm talking about is Rakuten. Now, the first thing you need to know is I always put the Rakuten link in my description box. And when you click on that link to open up the Rakuten site, you will get $30 for making your first qualifying purchase. Now, there are those who will keep it in the family, and maybe you sign up for your Rakuten through my link and you make your first qualifying purchase, and then you refer your spouse. And your spouse makes a qualifying purchase and they get $30. We're now up to $60. That's almost covering the spread of how much your maintenance fee increases. Of course, I'm just assuming a number of $70 because that's mine. Yours could be more, yours could be less. In fact, I've seen that Atlantis and the Bahamas this year, the increase is quite significant. So you need all the help you can get in making up those extra fees so that at the end of the holiday season, you're not stuck with a bill you're not ready for. So let's explore Rakuten and what I'm talking about by purchases. Okay, let's start just by putting Rakuten in the search bar up here, and you will see that you enter the shopping portal. This is what it looks like. And you can scroll down, you can see some of my favorite stores that I've recently visited. And then there are these extra cashback stores. This is so great for your holiday shopping. You can also come in here and you can search for any particular stores that you may want to shop at and find out how much you could potentially earn for your online purchases. Now I'm back here in the extra cashback section and I'm going to click on PetSmart at the 20% cashback because I want you to see how they track this. You'll get that 20% cashback message. You'll go to the home page for PetSmart and then you'll get this little confirmation up here that says that that 20% cashback is activated. Now that that 20% has been activated, if I go ahead and I buy the dog treats that I would buy anyway, that triggers cash back from Rakuten. You get paid quarterly in the form of a check. Speaking of getting money back for things that you already buy, in the intro, I told you you could get money back on your groceries, and it's true. Take a look at this. On the Rakuten home screen, go ahead and do a search for grocery stores. Once you get to the search results, you're going to want to hit See All and then continue to scroll down and look for any grocery stores that are close to you. For myself, I've got Safeway, which gives me 1% of my online orders. Kroger gives me 2%. Albertsons gives me 1%. Even if you're only getting paid 1 to 2% cash back for your groceries, that really adds up over the course of a year. Of course, the true hack is to take your holiday shopping list and to try to buy those items from these extra cashback stores. Now, these stores do change daily, as does the percent that they pay cash back. So you'll need to check frequently. But Cyber Monday, Black Friday, this is going to be a great place to do all of your holiday shopping. As always, if you learned anything in this video that you found helpful, I'd appreciate that thumbs up. It really does help our channel. And if you haven't subscribed already, I'd appreciate a subscription. That way you'll know when I make new content and we can learn how to make the best memories from our vacations together. Thanks again.